Hi, it's Robert and Kim Kiyosaki,
Hey.
and we'll talk about our upcoming Rich Dad radio show.
It's called Loon Shots by Safi Bakal, and it's how to nurture the crazy ideas that win wars, cure diseases, and transform industries. And, you know, he talks a bit about how you get an organization, you start a small company, everybody's got these crazy ideas, and everything's fun and exciting, and then the company grows, and the company grows, and the next thing you know, it kind of stagnates, and there are no new ideas, and everything gets shot down, and middle managers keep trying to cover their you-know-what. So it's all about how to innovate, keep those crazy ideas coming into your companies.
And the theme song for this Rich Dad radio show is that oldie but goodie, Barbra Streisand and People who need people. All I say is bah humbug. You know, the hardest part about business is people.
It is.
You know, and
business would be easy if it wasn't for people.
And the more I study, I realize there's a lot of academics like Safi. The difference is who don't know people. But Safi was actually a CEO, took a company public and all that. So he's more than just an academic. He understands people. The problem with many academics is they think human beings are robots. You know, that you just, well, if you do this, this will happen. That's like the Fed, like Bernanke and those guys. They think, well, they do this, people will respond this way.
People would be rational.
No, yeah. And people are completely irrational. So Loon Shots is a very important book, especially for you who have organizations of more than 2 people. Fabulous book, well-researched. It's the hottest book on people right now. So please listen to the Rich Dad Radio Show with Safi Bakal.
And get the book Loon Shots.
Loon Shots. Thank you.